What about when they're in the womb? It's estimated that a baby, if the cell division continued at the rate as it does for the first 6 months of gestation, by the time a woman delivered, that baby would be over 2,000 pounds. So the reality is there's so much going on, and people are like eating crap. Oh no, the Prozac doesn't cross the placental barrier. Okay, Wilbur. Tylenol, no problem. No problem. Yeah, take your Vicodin. I understand your back hurts. But don't go see a chiropractor. They might kill you and your baby. There we go. You know, Mama always said, stupid is as stupid does. So how do we measure moderation? I mentioned this last time. Right? Cialis. Why are these commercials showing like guys my age? I don't get it. I'm like going. I look over at Rachel, she goes, 29 parts per billion to go from this to this. 29 parts per billion. So how many parts per billion of these, the MSG makes it go from this to this? 29 parts per billion for Paxil to make you go from this to ambivalent. 1.2 parts per billion will stop an acute asthmatic attack. So what is a moderate amount of poison in your food?